What's going on, guys? Today we're back here with our 2021 STI. If you recall, the last time we had this car on the lift, we installed the Molded Innovations LED taillights, the Molded Innovations LED fourth brake light, and the Molded Innovations LED license plate lights. Today we're going to be installing this Revel titanium exhaust, so let's get started. When you receive this, the first thing you'll notice is that the box says Revel Exhaust System by Tanabe. Tanabe USA has introduced Revel to meet the ever-changing demands of the automotive market. With over 30 years of experience with product development, their goal is to offer quality automotive parts, focusing on manufacturing quality, long-lasting performance, while maintaining proper aesthetics. This titanium exhaust perfectly defines that business motto, so let's begin unboxing it. The first thing we're going to want to do is put on some gloves, because it's important to wear protection. But more importantly than that, when you're touching titanium, if you don't wipe it off or wear gloves, the first time you heat this sucker up, you're gonna have fingerprints all over it. Don't need that. So now that we have everything laid out and out of the box, we're gonna start unwrapping it. Now that everything is unboxed and laid out on the table, let's see what we got. First, you'll see this beautiful titanium muffler. It says Medallion on the tip. It does have a burnt tip and a nice kind of matte finish. Not glossy like a lot of the other exhausts out on the market. It's just a little feature that kind of sets this exhaust apart from the rest. You'll see its beautiful TIG welds and pie cuts. These are hand welded exhausts. And it even has this nice Revel badge to show you what you got. We also have the intermediate pipe and the resonated mid pipe. These are very, very lightweight pieces, and we're gonna be showcasing how light this exhaust really is in just a minute. And to finish it all off, we have all of our mounting hardware and our silencer, which you don't need that where we're going. We have, again, beautiful TIG welded clamps. These are kind of a universal fit style clamp, and they do have these nice rubber gaskets so they don't scratch or dent your muffler. So the first thing we're gonna do here is weigh this OEM exhaust and compare it versus the weight of the titanium Revel. And we're right around 54 pounds. This is a big unit. To showcase how much weight we're actually saving, we're gonna weigh this thing with all the box and the packing material to really show what that difference in weight looks like. 31 pounds. It's a difference of 23 pounds, including the box and packing material. First thing we're gonna do is remove this NVIDIA exhaust. It has served this car very well, but it's time for something different. First thing we're gonna do is hang our intermediate pipe. What you will notice is that this does have two different ends on it, so this can only be configured in one way. Now that we have everything hung up, we can give a brief overview of the exhaust system. You will see that these beautiful clamp-on hangers go in the factory position. These clamps to clamp the slip joints together tighten very beautifully and should seal perfect, and they still have these springs to keep tension on them as well. One key point that I want to highlight here is that we are utilizing a stock downpipe on this car, so you will need to purchase an additional piece, which is an OEM downpipe to 3-inch exhaust adapter. In doing so, while Revel does supply you with hardware to bolt the downpipe to their catback exhaust, we had to utilize some different hardware because the hole on the stock downpipe is slightly different. It does feature about an M8 size, so you can go to your local hardware store and grab something that'll fit. Now that we're done installing the Revel titanium exhaust, let's get this thing on the ground and get some sound clips. All right guys, that concludes our installation video of this beautiful Revel titanium exhaust. Just to recap a couple quick things. It is a full titanium catback exhaust. It is beautifully TIG welded. It comes with these beautiful hangers with these rubber isolators so you don't scratch up that titanium muffler. It features slip joints so it doesn't leak. It comes in right at $1,161. It fits the 2008 to 2021 STI Sedan, and it also fits the 2011 to 2021 WRX. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Leave us comments and suggestions in the comments below so that we know what to do next. Thanks, guys.